Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is Shadows on the Walls here. And if you didn't know, real name is Marcia. How are you guys doing this weekend? I decided to do this fall inspired look that is using some pigments from Question Beauty. I've showed some of their products on the channel before. So let's get started. I try not to keep you too long. But before I forget, I wanted to talk about the jewelry. The necklace, the earrings, and the bracelet set are from a company that's local from Indiana. She makes her jewelry special. And the company is called the Hathaway Collection. So I'm going to link her Instagram down below this video. And I'm also going to link the tutorial of how I achieve this look down below also. So for the products, let's see. I started by priming with some, I guess they're, what would you call these? Eye paints. Because this one is from NARS. It's an eye paint. It's called Snake Eyes. So I applied that to the first inner half of the eyes. And it's a dark green. And then I went in with a MAC. It's called a fluid line, but it's like an eye paint. And it's called Great Dane. And it's burgundy. I don't know if MAC still has these fluid lines or not, but I've had it for a while and it's still super creamy. So I applied those first. Those are just to make the eyeshadows pop more, to bring out the colors more, and to give them longevity. So I went into the crease with some matte colors, a green and a burgundy, to keep with the theme. So I used this green from Coastal Scents. It's called Fresh Chive. And then I went in with this color from Makeup Geek. It's called Cherry Cola. And then I applied the adhesive, I guess you could say, for the pigments. This is also from Question Beauty, and it's their gel primer. It just looks like this, just a clear gel that gives the pigment something to stick to. So the first color I went into was Aurora Foliage. It's both of these pigments are iridescent. I'm going to come in real close, and as you can see, that gold, the green to, I guess it's like a burgundy. It almost has like a pink shift to it. So this is the Aurora Foliage. So this is like the gold to green. And I thought these colors would be perfect for a fall look. And then this is the Bronze Mirage. Question Beauty is I guess an indie brand, you can say. They're in New Zealand. So that's Bronze Mirage. Really pretty. So I applied those to the lids only, really. I just kind of stuck to the lids. And then on the lower lash line, I applied a liner from Jordana, the Easy Liner in Sea Green. And then on top of that, I went in with the Fresh Chive eyeshadow from Coastal Scents. And then for lashes, I'm wearing a pair from Butterfly FX by Desi, and they're in the style Gorgeous. And they are pretty and gorgeous. And for the lips is also by Question Beauty. So I first line the lips with the, I guess, let me see, is it Nicka K? Is that the, yeah, auto lip liner, and it's in the color Plum. So I lined my lips with that, and then I went into the matching lip gloss from Question Beauty in Bronze Mirage. So that is the colors. As far as the face, I'm trying some prime. I'm doing some like more oil absorbing. I'm not really oily like I used to be, but I do have clients that come in that are could have oily skin. So I'm trying these products on myself. So I first applied the One Size Oil Oil Sucker Extreme Mattifying Alkaline Primer. And you're only supposed to apply that to your real oily spots. So I just did like the nose and kind of in this area here, and then my chin and right up here on the forehead. So right now, I don't know if I think it kind of looks more radiant than oily. So that's on the camera and on the in person. So the reason it might look radiant is because I use this new product by L'Oreal. It's their Lumi Le Glow tint. It's a skin tint. And I'm wearing the color 420 neutral. I said that 420 number, boy, that's awful coincidental. So, but it matched pretty well. And then I set the face with Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Matte Blur. It's mattifying, smooth, and setting. It's supposed to set all day. So I'm trying this too. So far, once I use this up, I want to try the Danessa Myrick Blur Mattifying Spray she has and see how it works. I actually heard, after I got that, I heard the Danessa was a little better. But this looks pretty good. Let me see. I feel like I'm still looking kind of more radiant than matte, but that's fine. It'll work. So yeah, I think that was it as far as I can think of. I set the powder, Charlotte Tilbury's powder. Blush I'm using, I always say that's it and then I have more. The blush is La Femme. I'm using Peach Sparkle, which is this one up here. The lighting is making it look much lighter than it really is. But that's what I have for blush. And then for highlight, I'm using Scratch by Kat, her Powder Glow Illuminator in Princess Cut. So let me be careful with this. Ooh, because I turned it upside down and it's getting everywhere. It's real pretty though. And then for my nails, I'm using Moon Cats Loves Labyrinth. It's got holographic sparkle, kind of like a silvery blue, light blue color. So, yes, I think that was it. If I forget something, I'll add it below. Anyway, I hope you like this look, this autumn fall look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for stopping by.